Dr. Gladden's approach is not just, I look at your heart, I look at your hormones. It's a holistic, well-rounded approach. You don't get that when you're at just, oh, I did my regular physical, I did my checkup, oh, your numbers are fine, we checked 3 labs and everything falls in the normal range. What I love about Dr. Gladden and what they do at Gladden Longevity is, it's not this is normal, it's what is optimal for you. That's how we get you to feel your best, perform your best, live your best, all around. One of the first things we noticed too was that I have a genetic mutation with my thyroid and how I convert thyroid. One of the first things Dr. Gladden said to me was, it's a miracle you're not overweight. You have never had enough thyroid since you were born. So we're gonna get you on thyroid to ease that up on your body. I was always the person who was hangry. Ask anybody in my life up until I was about 40, you don't let Autumn get hungry. It's not pretty. It just doesn't happen anymore. We actually just ran a test and we got the results back. The diversity in my gut microbiome has grown exponentially, which is huge. Anything you need, anytime, you call and you're getting a response. And it's on you to be your own biggest advocate, but it's people like Dr. Gladden that help us figure it out. We don't have to know everything. We get to go ask somebody else that has dedicated their life to it and say, I know this much. What else do you know that can help me maximize how I feel?